This video I am going to tell you how to draw a wall photo painting. That is, this is first piece you are making, and then here you are making another small picture like this. Then what we are going to do is another type of shape we are making. Now you are going to see the final shape after making all these piecewise pictures. Now next I'm going to make a kind of a spirograph type of drawing, and very patiently a circular drawing is made like this. Now next I am making a kind of a corner shape like this with the same spirography design. Then you will see another, already we have made a corner, there we are making this type of design. This is another corner of the picture. Then we are going to make a different shape to this corner. This is the right hand side corner we are going to see. It's all spirograph type of thing, but not using anything. It's only hand drawing with a very fine tipped black pen. Next, on the left hand side, I'm making this type of design, and with a circular thing, very artistic and beautiful design. Then you see the covering all these thing, and you make a good shape like that you are getting now. Now, final shape you are going to see, my dear friend. What way? This is the final shape. So, this particular wall hanging photograph is made by Sagana Sridhar. Wonderful drawing, wonderful.